Alright guys, today is gonna be a different video. So as you can see, I signed up for Lala Move, and we have our first job. Okay, so the route is pretty, I don't know, far. So I'm gonna head off to Jurong East, and then after Jurong East, I'm gonna go all the way to Yishun and do my bro. So if you're wondering where I've been, it is basically like the submission weeks. So I had a lot of shit to do.
Yeah, そんなことはない。
It's a bit drizzly, but I would say it's Gucci, it's fine. So yes, carrying on, if you are wondering where the hell I've been, there's a lot of school shit to do. So I didn't really have the time to record videos. For those of you who don't know how polytechnics work, your year 1 and year 2 is basically just your child stage. So you're gonna learn a lot of things in year 1 and year 2. But when you're going into your year 3 phase, okay, that's where it happens, bro. Like they would like, it's a bit different from secondary school. So secondary school, sec 1 to sec 3 is extremely.
誰もこんな話は聞きたくない。
Okay, so we can head out to the exit in front, but yeah, so like I've never done delivery. Like I've done delivery, don't get me wrong. I've done food delivery, but courier services like Lala Move and shit like that, I've actually never done that before. Like actually this is my first time touching the app and everything. So like I'm gonna be if I do something wrong. Okay, so this is just me updating on what I feel about riding in Singapore. But you have to ride aggressively. I'm so sorry, but for riders out there who ride defensively, like it's very hard for you to ride defensive. I mean, I understand because riding defensive means is to save your life. But sometimes when you want to switch lanes and whatever, right? Even if you signal for a very long time, some cars don't just give a shit. So they will just speed past you. And like the driving culture in Singapore is just horrible, I think. Like people do follow the lanes and everything, but in terms of driving courtesy, I don't think they're that good. But like that's just my 2 cents lah. Other people probably might disagree with me. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna get because I don't know where the building is. I actually have no clue where the building is. Okay, we have arrived, I guess. I don't know what to expect actually.
This one is your.
This one my one.
This one is
For you.
pick up Yishun.
So Yishun,
Then you sending DO bring.
Okay, can.
Yeah. Last location is here.
Last location here. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Apa dia?
Biasa buka banyak.
Sini buka banyak
Tapi balance kan lepas dia tinggal dua lah.
Oh, so saya nasib juga ah.
私は彼が何を言ったのか知らなかった。
Alright, and we are on our merry way, guys. I'm the lucky bastard that has leftovers because I only have to send 2. And it's a lot less time consuming because the 2 are in one spot. Ha 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 ha. Motorcycles have free parking. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, bro. Parking in the industrial areas is crazily expensive. I'm gonna head to our respective places, bro. All the way in Yishun. What? Bro, that's a ghetto-ass place, bro. Those of you not from Singapore, like when you hear Yishun, it sounds like a nice place to live, but bro, it's like I wouldn't say it's ghetto. Okay, the most ghetto place I know in Singapore is Boon Lay. Boon Lay is extremely ghetto, bro.
事前資料を盗んだ文字通り。
Yishun is just weird. It isn't ghetto. It's weird. Like you would. I have no clue, man. Like the deaths there, like you can die from like a cow suffocating you. Like, bro, what? That doesn't make sense. Yes, I know it doesn't make sense. It's because it doesn't make sense. Yishun does not make sense at all. For my fellow Yishun people, I'm not trying to put you down, but like Yishun is dead as weird, bro. Bro, don't tell me this whole place was a military area. But oh, it looks like a golfing area. Oh, okay. Is it? I don't know. Looks like, yeah, it's golf. What a Is golf areas are that huge? It's 160, okay. Right, we have arrived at our first stop. Let's go. And that was extremely long. This is... nope. Should be this. Hello, from Lala Move. For Roysa. Roysa. Okay, Ken, thank you. Okay, so the first delivery was done. Very cool people. I don't know what they are, but not a lot to look in them.
自分が何を届けているのか知ってショックを受けた。
Okay, I have one already. Let's send the next one. Okay, my man, where is KTPH? So, okay. Oh, it's a hospital. Oh, okay. I thought it was like some shopping mall or something like that, which I don't know, but it is what it is, bro. Okay, I'm not totally sure on what to expect for a hospital, but hopefully nothing disgusting goes on. I guess we've reached, but sure. I don't know what to expect. Hi, sorry. I'm from Lala Move. Then this is sent to the lab.
Left side.
Ah.
After room 4.
After room 4, Okay, kasih. Hello. Lala Move.
そう、それは肌。
Can help sign the DO inside also? The inside got the sign. Can ah? Okay, thank you. Good day. We gotta send our last stop. But my GoPro's gonna be dead, bro. But yeah, we have our last. We have to send both the back. And good to go, bro. Good to go. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna change my battery first. So, bye bye, guys. I'll see y'all in a bit. In all honesty, actually, I take back my words earlier. Bro, Yishun is such a nice place to live in. There's Safra there. Like, whoever lives here, there's a hospital in front here. There's Safra there. And there's a mall nearby. Yishun looks like a vibe to live in. Why did I say that? It's okay, I live in the west. West side is still the best side. Because you know why? There's stuff like Gate Post Shopping Centre and Pioneer Mall. Okay? These two places are unbeatable. Oh! Okay.
危うく追突するところだった。しかし、
There's roadblocks.
This is the final stretch, guys. We're gonna reach very soon. But it's the industrial area, so I have to take it slow. Okay, Ken. Thank you. Bye bye.
ビデオが長すぎる。バイバイ。